Welcome! If you're tired of non-stop pings from your friends on Snapchat, but don't want to block or unfriend anyone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to mute a friend's chat notifications for 8 hours on Snapchat Perfect, for when you need some peace without missing out entirely. Let's get started. First, open up the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page, where you can manage your friends and settings. Next, scroll down and tap on My Friends. Here, you'll see a list of everyone you're connected with on Snapchat. Find the friend whose notifications you want to mute. Once you've found them, press and hold down on their name until a menu pops up. At the top right of this menu, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on them. This brings up more options. From here, select Chat and Notification Settings. Then, tap on Notification Settings. Now you're in the right place to control how and when you get notified. Look for the option that says Mute Chats. Toggle this on, and you'll see a choice for how long you want to mute notifications. Select for 8 hours. And that's it. You've successfully muted chat notifications from that friend for the next 8 hours. During this time, you won't get any alerts from their chats, but you can still open the app and check messages whenever you want. This feature is great for focusing during work, studying, or just taking a break from the noise. Remember, after 8 hours, notifications will automatically resume, so you don't have to worry about missing out forever. If you ever want to unmute them sooner, just follow these steps again and turn off the mute option. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your quieter Snapchat experience.